again, it's just maybe 5 minutes after just me driving around and trying if I get this to fucking work. I mean, 5 minutes would already be good to have as a test run. But I mean, we will see. We will see how it goes. Okay, you know what? Let's see if someone needs an Uber right now. Someone close, preferably. This sounds good. And now a car. You, perfect. On the charge. I should also skill a little bit my botnet, but yeah, not right now. Okay, just to check again. Yeah, the recording is running. That is good to know. Just to test. So let's just drive this guy around, see how it works, see if the recording works. I probably will, if I get into streaming, I probably will have to get a better microphone, but for now this should do. And yeah, let's see how this goes. And this is the fourth try to get something working, and I do a shorter one because I want to fucking get it done right now, because I wanted to upload something from earlier today, but then the upload took ages, and then it reset it for some reason, and I'm pissed now because of that, so yeah. Oh, I have to look for my speed. And that is really bullshit with a fucking keyboard, because an analog stick you can just hold an analog stick in the right direction, but because it's a digital thing, you basically have to speed up, and then when you get too fast you have to speed down again, which right now it works good, which is good, but it's still annoying that I have to look at there all the time. How fucking far do you need to go? Now only the people talk. He doesn't talk at all. That's strange. I suppose if I know where to go, then I don't need him to talk. But yeah, yep, that was not so good. Mass vehicles. Okay, I am pretty sure we'll need it later at least. Do I traffic jams in the city? I think at what makes it, under what circumstances the waypoint for the next target auto sets, and in what and under what circumstances it doesn't auto set. You have to manually set it, because it's also annoying that it just doesn't always say, okay, you want to go there. That is your mission target. So it will set it as a waypoint, just as is, as standard. It would be better in my opinion. Is that all I'm not aware of about the US, where you have to drive on the leftmost lane, or is it just a game? Not as exciting as I hoped. I hope that Daredevil Lily, or as she is called, will make a return, because that is always a fun ride. Heh. Alright, because I turned it off. Makes sense. At least I get to hear my voice right now, because there's nothing going on. Oh, there's no logic for the surprised by my voice. Holy shit, not even that gets this guy to talk. Is he even alive? makes it even harder to evade. That was unnecessary. It's fun to fool around with people, to be honest. Alright, I have boosts. I forgot about that I have boosts now. Oh, it's a woman? I didn't realize that. 5,000, not bad. Okay, let's collect this research point while we're here. No, that's something different. I want a car because I have almost nothing to drive, and that should something be that I probably should invest in. No. No. Yeah, why not?
911. Please state the nature of your emergency. Hello? I think
Fuck
I
you.
lost the caller.
I mean, it shouldn't really have something because they should be told to then also look. Okay. Let's get this thing. Yeah. Car on demand ready. Visit an Auto Elite dealership. Okay, where are those? Car dealership. Total Motors? No. Auto Elite. Let's set it as a waypoint because, like, a little bit of time should pass here to upload something. Let me get some more time to talk. And it's not really that far. Just hope that I have enough money because, like, it's most games are probably then swim at money at this point. But I'm not even that far in the main storyline, am I? I just messed around until now. Well, we'll see. Perfect. Now tell me how much your fucking cars cost.
Good day to buy something.
I know. Oh. Well, a lot. A shit ton, apparently.
This stuff won't be around forever.
That's also good. Let's get that.
Thanks muchly.
I should try to actually pay attention to... I should try to pay more attention to actually collect all those money bags that are lying around. I think that would help a lot. But, I mean, I have a motorcycle now. Okay, there should be a research point here. Oh, it's just checking. Well, that was easy. Alright, again. That should be a good test run. Again, another test run. So I'll stop it here. Bye.